If there's one thing I like to talk about a lot, or explain a lot, and discuss about a lot, is having a partner in export destination. Having a partner in export destination, or having a representative in the export market. Partnership involves having a relationship and access to right contact, consultant, service provider, or export market in the export market. Who can provide the required information? Services that is needed to set up a business and get established in the export market. This partnership is required to be able to get necessary certification of product in the export market, get facilities for warehousing in the export market, source for agents and distributors, gather export market intelligence, enforce contracts, collect debt, and source for businesses that are interested in joint venture, licensing and franchising in the export market. Having a service provider as partner in the export market is a sign of readiness because it indicates a company's ability to access specialized services, expertise, and services in the export market. Service provider can include logistic companies, custom brokers, and other third-party providers that offer specialized services related to international trade. Some of the reasons why having service provider as partner in the export market is an indicator of export readiness. Number one is because you have specialized service, access to specialized service. For example, you need to deliver sample to a potential buyer. You need to call a potential buyer because if you call them from Nigeria, they might not take your call. Most likely will not take your call because just by virtue of being black or being in Nigeria, you are a fraudster until you prove otherwise. That's the stereotype they have on us. That's what it profiles us because of bad history of fraud among some of our people. Service provider can offer specialized service and expertise and knowledge that are critical to successful export. This can include knowledge of local regulation, custom procedure, and documentation. Improve logistics. Service provider can help companies improve their logistics by offering freight forwarding, warehousing, and distribution. This can help companies streamline their supply chain and ensure that products are delivered to international markets in a timely and cost-effective manner. Risk mitigation. Working with established service provider can help companies mitigate the risk associated with exporting. These partners can help ensure that shipments are processed correctly, that payment is received on time, and that disputes are resolved very quickly. In fact, one of the major jobs of rep or partner in the export market is to resolve disputes, to collect debt, to coordinate post-export, post-import inspection. Competitive advantage. Companies that have established relationship and help provider in the export market have an advantage over other companies that do not have because they can provide after-sales service. They can easily establish presence in the market. Having a service provider as partner in the export market is an important indicator of export readiness because it reflects company's ability to access specialized expertise and services in the international market. Companies that have established relationships with service providers in the export market are more likely to be successful in exporting and are better prepared to navigate the challenges associated with international trade.